Right, so I made a few changes on this. You can see here, this used to be 90 degrees out, sticking out of the fork. So by rotating it 90 degrees and flipping it over, it's actually not extending beyond the fork that far. And it still looks pretty cool, I think, there. I shouldn't have to use it because these have been infused with slime. Anyway, we're here today to replace these, and I'm replacing them with these. Oh, how fantastic they are. They're going to be great. Anyway, first thing to do is get this off. This is toolkit I bought. This is the tool that I'm using. Here's the bolt. So this fits over there and you just turn it. And there it is. One pedal. Now we have to hope that the new pedals have the same thread and will fit. I think they will because I did my homework, but let's see. You can see the difference in size. You get much more area for your foot. Plus this is studded. This is quite fat and chunky. This is quite thin. Nice retro pedal. I'll be saving it. Won't be throwing it away, but not my cup of tea. I think this will just look much better on there. Now you notice the shaft on here doesn't have this nut effect, so I can't use the spanner. What this pedal has is an Allen key socket on the back, so you can screw it on, get an Allen key behind and tighten it up. That's what I'll be doing. Let's get on with it. Because this is a left pedal, I've got to make sure I've got the right pedal. This is right, so I don't have the right pedal. This is the left pedal. You actually turn this anti-clockwise to do it up. Whereas normally you do right to tighten up. I think that's really smart. You notice how the red here matches the red here, matches the red here. Red and white, red and white, red and white. Yeah, I like it. A bit of gold. Whoa. I've no idea what all this means. It's CNC, obviously. Machine cut. Rock Brothers are the pedal make. It's got 4 pedal bearings. Very nice. Anyway, I've got to get this tightened up and we'll get on with the next one. And I've used an Allen key in the back here to tighten it up this way. Now I was thinking of taking these off and putting some thread lock on them because it came with some spares. But I can't shift them. They're solid in there. So rather than loosen them up and put thread lock on and put them back, I decided I'm just going to leave it exactly as it is. So let's whip the bike round and do the second one. Okay, while the bike's around this side, I might as well show you this. This is a mirror I've added. So you can rotate it around, a bit squeaky, but you can rotate it around at any angle. So as you're riding, you can see basically what's behind you. And then when it's not needed, it can neatly just fold away. And there's still a gap here big enough for you to get your fingers through. So that was installed today. Took a little damage, I'm afraid, just on the end here, but it's okay. Anyway, let's get on and do this right crank pedal. So this will be left to undo this one. See if I can do it while I'm holding the... No, because I have to hold the crank. Okay, so I've loosened this off, so I should be able to turn it now. Yep. There we are. Okay, so I've got that off. We go back over here to our brand new pedal. And this is right to tighten it up now. So I'll just keep doing this. It's very smooth. It's all machined. And then that's hand tight, and then I use the Allen key in the back. Start tightening it up. But I'm going to have to put the camera down. I have to hold this crank in place. So that's done. There are my two new pedals. I think they look fantastic. They're so much bigger. And slimmer than these retro ones. I understand why they had them on the bike, but I think this set it off a bit better. A bit of grease on that mirror. Jobs I've got left to do, I've got to take these support brackets off, rough them up, prime them and paint them black. And that'll be it. Thanks for watching, stay safe, I'll see you on another video. Cheers.